Hey guys, hope you're all okay. Welcome to Kids Videos AI, and in this video I will be giving you a detailed demo on how you can get started with Kids Videos AI to leverage your business, scale your business, and elevate your business to the very next level. And with this software you can create unlimited kids stories, unlimited kids videos to get that amazing engagement on your social media platforms. So I'm inside the members area right over here inside the dashboard, where you can see the total number of stories that you have created, the total number of custom stories that you have generated, total number of images, videos that you have uploaded to scale as per the image scaler, or as per the video scaler, which is right over here, and I'll be covering that in step-by-step format. So inside the members area, the total number of stories that you have generated are going to be listed right over here with the date and timestamp, and the total number of custom stories are going to be listed right over here for you guys. A total number of bonuses are right over here for you guys to crack on with, and then the detailed training will be listed either in this particular section, or the same can be accessed from this particular section over here. So let me just crack on with the first tab over here, which is for story creator, and once I click on that, this will give me option for me to select 3 different modes to create a story. So I will get started with the easy mode, and I will be covering all the tabs obviously in this video to give you the detailed demo on how you can get started. So once I click on story creator, it gives me 3 options. One is easy mode, advanced mode, and hyper mode. So let me just click on easy mode, and right over here you can actually create a story just in 3 simple steps. So the step 1 is to put your story title, and then to search for a story. So let's get started by putting the title as Lion King, and the search your story bar, again I'm going to put that as Lion King, and I am going to hit on search. And now with the help of AI, because this software is all AI generated, the AI is going to get me the next step with the story. It's just going to take me to the next step. So I just click on next, and then over here it gives me 3 separate stories to select the story. So I'll just give a quick read, and whichever story I find intriguing or interesting, I'm just gonna select that. In this case, as for the demo, I'm just gonna select the first option. So let me just select that, and once the story has been selected, it's just going to take, say, about a couple of minutes for me to get to the next option, because everything is AI generated and it needs to make sure that everything falls in line or in place. So we need to be a bit patient, as the AI is generating content for us at the back end. We're just placing a keyword, guys, and we're not doing anything too complex or complicated, or doing any kind of coding or whatsoever. So we're just letting the AI do its job. And now in this particular step, which has been taken us to the next stage, which is to text to audio. So now in this, what you need to do is just add subtitles. So you just need to enable this function right over here, and before that it's asking to add the audio to basically the text, and all you have to do is select the language you want to. We've got lots of options over here, so I'm just going to keep that as English US over here, and over here you can actually choose the person's voice that you want to have as your storyteller. So over here, let me just select Joey Mail and hit on generate audio, because the audio will be generated in his voice. So I'm just going to click on this and hit on add subtitles, and then move to the next section, which is to create your story. So once I click on this, the story right over here is showing in video is queued for rendering. So now all you have to do is just leave that as is, because this can take between 10 to 30 minutes, because the AI is working on that and is generating the video for you. So we'll come back to this in a moment. So let me just get started with the next option, which is the advanced mode. So I'm just going to click on advanced mode right over here, and again we'll have to follow the 3 simple steps. So I'm just going to hit the name of the story right over here as Lion King 1 advanced, and I'm just going to put the name of the story as Lion King again, hit on search, and let the AI generate the story for me right over here. And once the next button is available, I'm just going to click on next, and in this it will let you select the pictures. So for you to have your story generated with images, this is the right section to get started with. So the advanced version has got, or rather will have, images to it. So I'm just going to put Lion King over here, and I'm searching for images, and the AI is just going to generate or find the images for me. So I'm just going to let that generate images for me. So once the images are generated right over here, I'm just going to select, pretty much all of them, because they all look amazing. And once I've selected all the images, I'm just going to select the story again, and right over here it will take me to the transition section. And right over here the transition pattern is set as burn, and I will be adding subtitles to this. I mean, it's again an option for you to add subtitles, and for you to generate audio. So before you add subtitles, it's telling you to please add audio first to generate the subtitles. So I'm just going to click on audio, and I'm just going to choose Joey over here, and then I'm just going to click on generate. And once this is generated, the next option will be the subtitle. So I'm just gonna enable that section, and then this will basically give me the exact subtitles over here, and all the subtitles will be listed underneath. So I'm just gonna let that generate, and that is the AI doing its job. It's working in the background, and in no time again it will generate the subtitles for me. So as you can see over here, the subtitle content is generated for you, and it's just laid out in this particular format. And as you can see over here, the story has been basically got all the subtitles, and again it's giving you the subtitle font size, it's giving you the color of the subtitle, and the subtitle background color. So you can again select from whatever color scheme that you want to select, and then just click on create your story. So once that again is created, again it will be queued for rendering. It can take about 10 to 30 minutes for that to get generated for you guys, because AI is working in the background for you to generate those stories. And till then, let's move on to the next section, which is the hyper mode. Now, in this, there are a few more options that have been added, which I will be covering for you guys. So I'm just gonna click on Lion King 1 Hyper, and I'm just gonna name the story as Lion King, and I'm just gonna hit on search to move to the next step, and let the AI generate the next step option. So we have got the next step option right over here. I'm just going to click on next, and again over here it's asking for the images. So I'm just going to put in Lion King, and I'm just going to click on search. So let this again search the images for me. So let me just do that for you guys over here. So let this search for the images. So again, we have got all the images over here. So I'm just going to select all of them for the next step. So let me just select all the images, select the story, and then over here you are getting an extra option for the intro and the outro. So if you have got your own branding, for instance, your intro on your channel or an outro on your channel, so you just need to click on upload the intro and upload the audio. So you can upload an intro video and you can upload the outro video, so that the video that the AI is going to generate for your Lion King video, the video will be generated at the beginning of the video, your branding, and then an outro will be generated at the end of that particular video. Now the transition again has got a long list over here. So if you want that as cross zoom, fade, or you've got cross wrap, you've got different options. So I'm just going to put that as burn because I like that transition on the video. And the ratio again is a portrait and a landscape, and this 3:4 is for Facebook. So I'm just going to put that as a portrait because that goes universal for Instagram or for TikTok or for basically YouTube Shorts and other social media platforms where you have got all the videos. These days all the videos, mainly except for the lengthy videos, you've got all the videos in a portrait mode, and that's the that's the highest preference or preferable mode of ratio, so that the people prefer that to be in a portrait mode. So I will, if you have got a background music, again you can actually add background music on this from this particular section. Again, subtitles can be added as we have done in the last mode. From here you can just add in subtitles, and you can enable subtitles from here, and then we have got the generate audio. So I'm just going to select again Samuel, or you can select Harry, and then generate audio. And again, the same for the font size and color scheme on your subtitle text or the subtitle background color. So I'm just gonna hit on, because that voice has been added, I'm just gonna click on OK on this one, and I'm just gonna click on create your story. So that again hyper mode is listed right over here. Lion King 1 hyper mode. That video is queued for rendering again, as this is AI generated videos. This can take, say, about up to 30 minutes for this to get generated, as I'm generating a lot of videos at the same time. So that will be generated for you guys. And the list option again is the list where you have got all your videos. They will be listed right over here. And the next section over here is AI art generator. So this AI SDXL image generator is going to generate a unique image for you, specifically for the prompt that you have mentioned in this particular section. So generating illegal or rates or any sort of pornographic or anything which is illegal in your country is prohibited. We will ban users if we find anyone abusing our AI system without any refunds. Please do not do anything which is not good. Be responsible and do not violate this system, guys. So let me just go to the section where it says please enter keyword and please describe or brief the image that you want to generate. I'm just going to put that as Lion King, and for negative image text, I'm just going to put that as Simba. So let's generate an image, and this will be a unique image that the AI is going to generate for you. So let AI, do its work in the background, and I'm just gonna leave that as is for now, because that is generating the video right over here. Sorry, the image right over here, and as you can see over here, so that has actually generated a video, an image, and I'm just gonna put that as Mufasa. So let the AI generate another image that is going to be a unique image, so that you guys can list that in your stories. So whatever image that you want to generate is just going to be generated with the help of AI, and the AI is going to work in the background for you, whatever prompts that you put. And once that is generated, you guys can actually save that. This is super cute. So you can actually download that and save that onto your system, or save that in the gallery, and you guys can use that image for basically your videos. So the next section over here is again the thumbnail creator. So I'm just going to click on thumbnail creator, and in this particular section you guys can create an image or use the image which is already in the gallery section. So again, guys, I mean, straightforward editor and no complex stuff whatsoever. So just, you've got all your filters listed right over here, and you've got the size. You can crop the image as per your your requirement. You can actually draw anything that you want to. So everything is listed right over here. You can add in shapes, you can add in stickers, you can add in frames, you can add in corners, you can merge all these details. So everything will be listed right over here. And then if you want to save that on your system and your gallery, you can just do that from here. So the next section is custom video creator, and in this particular section, the custom video editor, you are actually generating the video from the beginning. So all you have to do is just click on or rather hit, you want to name your campaign and the number of images that you want right over here, and generate content just by clicking on this, add, you know, a prompt to generate a video script. So I'm just going to put that, you know, Fox stories, or rather story for kids, or rather Fox bedtime story for kids. And I'm just going to click on generate, and this is again going to generate the story for me in no time. So right over here again, it's created a story already for me. The AI has generated story. I'm just gonna name the voiceover artist right over here as Samuel, and click on generate audio, and that is going to generate audio for me. I'm just gonna hit on save, and the story again is placed in the queue, and it says the images are going to be generated for me to get started with the next process. So all the images will be generated. So I'm just going to let the AI work in the background. Again, it's going to take from 10 to 30 minutes, and that will generate the images for me for the videos right over here. And the next section is the background remover, and in this particular section you can remove any background that you want. So I'm just going to list an image over here for AI, and as you can see, it is an image with all these you know, boards at the background, and the AI it's the main logo of the image. So I'm just going to click on remove background on that particular section, and as you can see, the background has been removed. It's just, you can actually download that particular image because that's cleared the background. And the next section over here is the done for you edition, which is DFY edition. Now in this particular section, all you have to do is just, you know, put in the title and the number of videos that you want to generate, the number of images that you want to generate, and just put the description of what specific done for you videos you want. So Fox videos for kids bedtime stories, and just gonna click on save data, and everything will be done for you from the vendors. Describe as much as detail that you want to from your end, and you guys can actually you know, save the data, and that will be sent to the vendors, and then that will be generated for you in the background. So that again is going to take up to 15 to 20 minutes. That'll be done for you guys as the AI is working in the background for that. Automation edition. Now automation edition is a fabulous way to automate everything right over here. So in this, again, you are just naming the title. So I'm just going to put that as Lion King, and the number of videos that you want, I'm just going to put that as 3, and the number of images that I want, again, as 3. And you can actually generate as many as you know, automated videos right over here. So please describe about your video as much as possible, so the team can actually generate the best output for you. So just in the description section, again, you know, you can actually add background music from here, and I'm just going to add that as Lion King, and Lion King description 1, Lion King description 2, line game description 3, and I'm just going to click on create your story. So that'll be again generated as mentioned right over here. So that'll be generated by the team, and that is going to be queued, and that will be generated for you guys. So again, it's going to take some time for that to be generated, but that will be listed for you guys.